Basically, like we previously were working with Twilio. I think it's quite known and famous, I suppose. And coming to Talnics basically cut our bill in half, which was quite nice to see that at the end of the month. So we're quite happy about that. And yes, like we're also looking at other like smaller competitors, but they didn't have a full range of services that Talnics has, because they're like essentially equal in this regard with Twilio. So for us, it's just a natural choice. So I would say definitely from the start it was very personal. So right after the first, meeting, we opened a Slack channel. We got contact with the CSM, the sales, and also with the engineering team. So really help us and guide us along in the process. And that was really, really helpful. So we got the impression that Talnics was listening and engaging with our feedback. And really, we can give you some examples here. Like we are across multiple platforms. We have a web app, we have a mobile app, we have a Chrome extension, we have a desktop application. And all of this requires certain technical things, certain technical requirements. One of them is React Native. So when we were onboarded to Talnics, this wasn't yet available, but unfortunately it's a requirement for us. So we were really close with the engineering team. They're giving us technical insights and early access. So once it was rolled out, we were immediately on it. And another point, when we had legal concerns, we were immediately into a meeting with the Talnics legal team to help us understand and resolve the legal issues. We have Talnics records the audio for us, and then we send it to our transcription provider. Like we are using also like what really matters there is that the audio itself is very, very high quality, and it definitely delivers. But also, when I say quality, I talk also about the customer quality. So the quality the customer experiences within the call. So once they're trying to reach another person on the line, once they're maybe when they're like in an area where the signal is not as strong, maybe. We previously had some issues raised there, but with Talnics, this definitely decreased. So we're happy to see that. So we are very active in the recruiting space, and recruiting is really like a multi-platform process. As I mentioned in the beginning, we want to cover all communication of our users. That's a central goal. That means we need to be on the phone, which is where for recruiters the first initial meeting often happens. Then it follows up with online meetings, and then the in-person meetings. Now, for the first initial call, it's often a screening call. And you have a lot of candidates, and you need to individually call them and ask them the same question over and over again. And here you can really scale much better as a recruiting company when you can use agents to do this initial screening for you, to kind of answer ask the basic questions and give the candidates the basic answers about the concerns and the questions they have.